Hey, how's it going? I decided to make this video just to kind of put it out here and to fix this issue because it's been plaguing me now for about a week and a half, and I kind of just want to put it out there because people are having the exact same issue and can't figure it out. So I want to just set this in stone and fix this because this game is so poorly optimized, and I want people to have fun. So this is regarding the DirectX issue. Here's a screenshot of the error that I'm facing, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, and it's actually fairly simple. It did take me a long time to figure it out. But the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to downgrade your graphics driver. You're going to want to install the NVIDIA app if you have a GeForce graphics card. I have a GTX 1080, but you're going to want to downgrade your graphics driver to 560.70. This is a huge thing. It's in the description. It's fairly simple to install. This is pretty huge. It's just because this is what Call of Duty recommends. But just do that. That's a very big thing. I would fuck around with the newest one. I tried 55, 56.14, whatever. I tried everything. Everything on the sun. Doesn't. 560.70 is the best one that works 100% of the time, but we have to use that one. For this second thing, what I did is, you don't really have to do this, is, first of all, you're going to want to go into Steam, and you're going to want to go to Call of Duty, go to Properties, and you want to go to Installed Files. You can verify integrity of the files. For me, it didn't work. So I'm just going to tell you right now, you can do that if you want. It doesn't really work. But you're going to want to go over here, go to Browse, and you see D3D12. You're going to open this file. You're going to see D3D12 core.dll. We're going to replace that file. So you're going to want to go to C, and then you're going to scroll down until you find syswow64, and then you're going to want to go in here. You could search it up. It's here somewhere. And just scroll down, you'll find it. Then you're going to want to copy this. You're going to want to go to D3D12 core.dll in the Call of Duty HQ folder. You're going to delete this and paste this in there. And paste this one in there. It can work. I feel like it did something. It's just good to do. It's a good troubleshooting step. After that, if you have any graphics card, period, open MSI Afterburner. You're going to have to overclock it slightly in the memory department, as well as core. You can copy this if you want. I'm not responsible for you breaking your card. But this is what I did. This works. You're going to want to do this. As stupid as this seems, you're going to have to do this. Also, if you have XMP, don't worry about it. People say you're going to have to disable XMP or the AMD variant. I forgot the name of it, but you're not gonna have to disable any type of memory overclocking. Another thing that I did is I went to Ryzen Master, and you're just gonna do auto overclocking. This is just simple stuff. I just did this just to give the extra oomph that the game might need. You can do this if you want. I didn't touch Curve Optimizer. I just did auto overclocking. I didn't want to touch anything. And I have a 5600X, so this just upped it to 4200 megahertz. After all this is done, we're still not completed. We're going to have to open Call of Duty. This is going to take a bit for me, so I'll be back because I have a hard drive. So I'll be back when this is... Okay, now that you're in Call of Duty, you're going to want to go into Black Ops 6. Go to Settings. Go to Graphics. And you're going to have to just copy this. You're going to go to here. VRAM skill target, you can set it to 60. That's what I did, but I realized this isn't really a culprit, but that's important. The next important thing, make this shit minimum. Just do it, and just do it. It looks horrible, trust me. Afterlife camo looks like dog shit. Like, yeah, it's annoying, but I haven't had an issue. And I relaunched the game multiple times. I've restarted my computer. I haven't had an issue at all. Basically, you can do all that. If you really, weather grid volumes is off. This is also another important thing. You want to turn this all off over here in environment. And that's about it. You're going to run NVIDIA image scaling. It's not going to kill you. I also play full screen borderless. Don't play exclusive. That will crash your game. It will. So, don't do that. Play borderless. Run minimum settings. You can set this to 60 if you want. It's up to you. 80 is fine with me if you want that extra oomph. So in my case, I get 140 FPS roughly on Liberty Falls. So which is not horrible, but just a little word of warning. that, you know, you are going to get a higher FPS, but the game's still going to look like dog shit. So if you want the game to run really fucking good, you got to wait or you get better hardware. So that's what I'm dealing with. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this fixes your game, because this game is plagued with this DirectX garbage. Take it easy, everyone.